Greetings, Algo artisans. We're going to talk about one of my favorite coins right now, TONCOIN. Got a lot going on with this coin, and we're going to start in the charts right now. Okay, so this is a phenomenal chart. If you take a look at what TON has done just in the last few months alone, just since the beginning of March, really, price has moved up 250%, and really 300% if you just go back a few weeks earlier in February. And if you go back to 2023, you can see this low point at $1.02, high point at $7.71. That's almost an eightfold move, which is absolutely phenomenal for a coin that is as big as this is. I believe this is now a top 10 coin for market cap. Large market cap coins don't always move this fast, don't always outperform kind of the medium cap coins, if you will. So that's really remarkable. So let's take a look at the price action. You can see that this arrow headed down. I drew this several days ago. I think it was actually a couple of weeks ago, and I predicted the move that we're seeing right now. And quite frankly, I predicted this very accurately. I mean, it doesn't get much more accurate than this, right? A move down as such, and then a move up as such. Simple as that. And you're talking about a 50% move since the beginning of the month. If you take a look here, March 1st, all the way up until just a couple of days ago, price went from 461 up to 719. So that's actually a 55% move, and that's in less than half a month. And it's going to probably eclipse its all-time high if we run this same trajectory up until about 770 before halfway through the month. So 13th to the 15th, something like that, price is probably going to eclipse its all-time high. And a lot of cryptos are not really doing as well just in the short term. Of course, they're doing phenomenally. If you look back several months, cryptos are just beating everything right now. However, the last month or two, crypto's been sideways, and of course we're in the post-halving doldrum where Bitcoin tends to kind of take a break from going up and pull back. So what we're seeing right now is kind of the result of that, right? Except for with TON. TON, of course, did pull back, but now it's already bounced up and about to break its all-time high, and there are not very many cryptos that can say that right now. Now, the upside targets based on a Fibonacci extension are up at 845 or so and about 950 or so. And the way I got that was I looked at this most recent impulse, and I applied the Fibonacci extension tool to that, and the targets above are as such. Now, I do front run those. The actual Fibonacci extension points are a little bit higher than what I drew, but I always front run. I almost always front run and take profit before I think everybody else is going to do so. That's just how I roll. But let's go ahead and take a look at this coin, what it is, who started it, what it's got going on, because there is a lot here. So strap in. So here's TONCOIN. We'll take a look briefly at we'll take a look at the tokenomics here. You have a market cap of 23 billion, which is absolutely massive. You have 34 billion in diluted valuation. So that's just another metric. It's got $500,000 trading over the last 24 hours, which is substantial. I'm sorry, $500 million. That's $500 million is huge. Just so you understand, that is so much money. Circulating supply, 3.4 billion tokens. Total supply, 5.1 billion tokens. Now, this coin may possibly be considered inflationary. There is no max supply. Looks to be inflationary. I mean, if they never added any coins, then it's not. But and if they started to burn them, then it wouldn't be, but they leave room to add more coins. So not sure why they want to do that, but a lot of times we can assume that perhaps they need to add coins for any reason. It might be that they need to generate capital somehow. We're not going to make any assumptions there. Let's go over to their website. So this was built by Telegram, a decentralized and open internet created by the community using a technology designed by Telegram. I mean, if you're in crypto and you're not using Telegram, then you are an anomaly, because Telegram is like where crypto lives. Telegram and X, aka Twitter, that's where crypto lives. There are almost 1 billion people using Telegram. It's a humongous messaging app, and it is censorship resistant. I think it's not censorship proof. I don't think it's truly decentralized at this point. However, perhaps TON can help with that. I don't know. If they're going to develop a decentralized internet, and they even have a decentralized finance wing, we could see a Telegram actually develop a little bit more of a censorship resistant model. There's the nominator pools. Of course, this is where you can use TONCOIN for contribution to network security. I imagine you would get some kind of reward for that. Buy and trade, obviously cross-chain transfers, which is great. You can transfer your tokens from Ethereum to TON. You can do that right on the bridge. They developed that. Payments, obviously use TON for payments. You can mint tokens, so you can create your own crypto in a few clicks. That's nice. And you can transfer USDT on TON. And actually, if you do that, if you look at transferring USDT, you'll find that fees for transferring Tether on TON are cheaper than going through other blockchains. So that's a big advantage there. So a lot of business gets done in Tether. Anonymous eSIM, which is lovely. lovely, easy to remember address for DNS, monetize your audience, which is huge on Telegram. Telegram is really trying to develop more of a social media look rather than being just a messenger. So any way you can monetize is always great. Telegram Premium, digital art. So I'm going to guess that's like in the NFT world. Looks like they're trying to develop that. And it seems to me that NFT is probably going to do well as crypto really is nearing the beginning of the end of the bull market when a lot of people have extra money to buy NFTs and people can afford for it to mean something. Obviously collectibles, that's in the NFT world. So between the two, digital art and NFTs, that's something they're going to push for. And I have friends in the NFT world, and just having an NFT gives you kind of a status, and people will pay anything for status. So don't count NFTs out. That's coming and it's going to be big. I own one for functionality purposes. I'm not an NFT guy. I just bought one so I could use a bot, but that's a totally different subject. You've got ton sites, ton proxy, ton World Wide Web. Obviously, this is part of their decentralized internet model, ton storage. And of course, you have unlock access to millions of Telegram users, build your product for global influence. So this is why I think ton is going to do well in the end. 1 billion users on Telegram. Telegram is extremely active, and like I said, crypto lives on Telegram. So you have a crypto that is native to one of the largest hubs for crypto users. I mean, this should be a no-brainer. Just like any other investment, you can lose your money. So you need to do your own research and make your own decision on that. But again, full disclosure, I do own ton community. And here is also a key thing here. You got strategic supporters. So Telegram, Bybit, OKX, Blockchain, Fireblocks, Cumberland, GSR, Pantera, a lot of big names. Some I mentioned, some I didn't. But these are all some pretty key friends. And one of the ways you can tell how well a project is going to do is by its friends, its supporters, its partnerships. So little news on TONCOIN. Ton Network records a 900% surge in total value lock. Okay, that's huge considering it only happened in the last few weeks, right? So let's read the article here. The Ton Network recently achieved a milestone by surpassing 200 million in total value locked. So it was at 22.9 total value locked recorded when Ton Open League began on March 1st. So 900% surge in almost as many days, really. You got 9 or 10 days since then. In addition to this milestone, TONCOIN received further recognition with its listing announcement on Hashkey Exchange. Meanwhile, a partnership between TONCOIN Network and Arkham aims to provide seamless data to 900 million Telegram users through the Telegram Mini application. This partnership also includes a Ton support integration on Arkham, potentially leading to new price levels for TONCOIN. As per TONCOIN price predictions, the cryptocurrency is anticipated to hit new highs by the end of Q2, making it a top crypto coin in May. Yeah, so we're going to roll back over to coin Gecko, and we're going to see where you can get Ton, MexC, BitGet, OKX, Bybit, BingX, KuCoin. So definitely your usual suspects. Here it is. There it is right there. TONCOIN price, number 9, CoinMarketCap. It is a top 10 token. Let's take a look at that motley crew of tokens that is top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Solana, Circle, XRP, Lido Stacked Ether. There's TONCOIN right there. Ton is ahead of Doge, it's ahead of Cardano, it's ahead of Shiba Inu, it's ahead of Avalanche, Tron, Bitcoin, Polkadot, it's ahead of Bitcoin Cash, it's ahead of Link, Near, Poly. I mean, these are big names that it is ahead of. I mean, that's humongous to be ahead of all these names. You got to think about that for a minute. For a coin to be this massive and increase as much as it has, that is remarkable. It's a great coin. We have an idea of where it's going. We have a major idea of what it's doing. Please come on over to algofactory.tech where we teach people how to build trading algorithms. You don't have to know how to code. This can be done as manual trading. If you do want to build an auto trader, we can help you with that. We can put you on that path. In the meantime, please have a listen to one of our happy clients give their testimonial.
Hey, Cowboy V. I just wanted to give a heartfelt thanks for putting this project together. I initially joined Algo Factory a year ago, concerned about a repeat of the 2008 Great Financial Crisis and the prospect of losing my job again. Within 12 months, under V and Cowboy's expert tuition, including live reviews, I've created a profitable algorithm launched across a selection of assets. Now, facing the prospect of redundancy and a nice fat severance package to trade with, my current worst case scenario is to keep my job. Thanks again, guys. Really appreciate what you've done here.
All right, thanks for listening to that. Don't forget, come on over, trade your job, upgrade your life. We'll see you on the next one.